So we're going through exercise 13C, question B in this video. So we need to sketch this, and we just need to sketch my y-intercept. So the first thing that I'm going to do is look at this -3 at the end. I know that that -3 is telling me that my asymptote is going to be y equals -3. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw that in. Draw. Y equals -3. Now I know that my graph is going to look something like this, but I need to figure out what this y-intercept is. How am I going to do that? Well, to find y-int, let x equal 0. So if we have y equals 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3, let me try to make that 3 at the beginning a little tidier, 3, and I let x equal 0, well, in my x spot, I'm going to put 0, which is going to mean I'm going to have 3 multiplied, 2 raised to 0 is 1, and then I'm going to minus 3. So I'm going to get y equals 3 minus 3, which is going to be y equals to 0. So immediately you can see why it's always dangerous to, just guess where it is, because I was way off. Let me grab this. It's going to be going through. Wait, let me do this in red. It's going to get ready. All right, let's pretend that looks good. It's going to look something like this. And it's going to go through 0, 0. Because when my x equals 0, my y equals 0. Now we have to find some things about this graph. We need to find what my asymptote is. My asymptote, which we know is going to be y equals 3, -3. I need to find out what my y-intercept is, which we know is going to be 0, 0. And lastly, we need to find out what my range is. And my range is going to be, well, I'm starting at -3, and I'm going up to infinity. So just like that, we can say it's going to be -3. My y-intercept is going to be 0, 0, and my range is going to be -3 to infinity. You're going to use this technique to find your y-intercept, and don't be like me at the beginning of this video and just guess where it is at the beginning. Do this before you start drawing anything at all. Perfect. Hopefully this is helpful.